बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज हम लेट के क्लास में पढ़ रहे हैं एशिया कॉन्टिनेंट। और एशिया दुनिया का सबसे लार्जेस्ट कॉन्टिनेंट है और इसका सबसे हाईएस्ट पॉइंट माउंट एवरेस्ट है। लोएस्ट पॉइंट एशिया का डेड सी है। लार्जेस्ट लेक ऑफ एशिया इज कैस्पियन सी। Dear students, largest river of Asia is Yangtze River. Do you know where is Yangtze River located? It is located in China. China is neighboring country of Pakistan. It is also located in northeast of Pakistan. Second longest river of Asia is Yellow River. This river is also located in China. Remember these both points. They will go ahead. Himalayas are the largest range in Asia. We will discuss about range and mountains later on. One thing I should tell you here, most of the students make mistake by using the article. Mountains don't carry article the. This point is also being clear. Tibetan Plateau is the largest plateau in Asia as well as in the world. Where this plateau is located, I am giving you this homework, and otherwise I will tell you in the end of the lecture. Another point regarding Asia continent, a Hagba pool in Tibet is the highest lake in Asia. Another point, Jasmine Lake in India is the largest artificial lake in Asia, handmade lake. Lake Wanhai, which is located in China, is the only lake in Asia that changes its colors. Its colors have been changed after some time. Asia is located in eastern and northern hemisphere. We will discuss these both lines while studying globe. We are not discussing globe here, we are discussing just continent, therefore we are not discussing these all things here. Equator, we would also discuss about this equator in lecture of globe. Tropic of Capricorn and Arctic Circle passes through Asia. These three lines passes through Asia. Asia is separated by the Red Sea and Suez Canal. Gorakhpur railway station is the longest railway platform in Asia as well as in the world. Remember this point. Come to another point, the lowest point of Asia. Write down point here. The lowest point of Asia. I missed the word point. The lowest point of Asia, Dead Sea, is located between Jordan and Israel. These both countries are located in Middle East or Western Asia. The deepest trench of the world as well as Asia. The Mariana Trench is in Asia. Now Mariana Trench is located in Western Pacific Ocean. Another point, Asia covers 1/3 of the world, whole area. Asia is bounded by the Pacific Ocean on the east side. Asia is bounded by the Indian Ocean on the south. Asia is bounded by the Arctic Ocean on the north. Gobi Desert is located in Mongolia and China. I am giving you homework here. In which side of Mongolia is this desert located? Or in which side of China is this desert located? Come to another point. Sir C.V. Raman is the first Asian to get Nobel Prize in Science. If the word science comes, then you have to choose Sir C.V. Raman, not Tagore. Tagore was the first Asian to get Nobel Prize, but he got Nobel Prize in literature because he was a writer. Beijing is the largest city in Asia by area. You should search down which is the largest city of Asia by population. Population is being changed therefore we are not discussing. Darien Kunshan Grand Bridge, which is located in China, I have mentioned that point here, is the longest bridge in Asia. ये एशिया का सबसे longest bridge है. बुर्ज खलीफा is the tallest building in Asia. सबसे बड़ी बिल्डिंग जो एशिया में है वो बुर्ज खलीफा है. हम बुर्ज खलीफा को भी आगे लेक्चर्स में थोड़ा डिस्कस कर लेंगे. एशिया is divided into 5 areas, which are South Asia, Southeast Asia, Central Asia, East Asia and Central Asia. We will discuss these all areas or divisions of Asia separately. Let's discuss the first division of Asia, which is South Asia. I have written South Asia here. We have South Asian countries. There are 8 countries. I have written with capitals as well as currency. Getting the point? It does not have any capital. Afghanistan. Afghanistan's capital is Kabul. Its currency is Afghani. Then comes Bhutan. Bhutan's capital is Thimphu. Its currency is Nigantra. It is very difficult to pronounce. You should not discuss about pronounce Nigantra. Then we have Bangladesh, which was separated by Pakistan, was known as West Pakistan. Its capital is Dhaka. Dhaka is known due to many mosques. Its capital is currency is Taka. Then we have India, rival India. India, New Delhi. Its capital is Indian rupee. The Maldives. We will discuss this. Why this country carries article the. We will discuss this in the lecture of English language. Its capital is May and its currency is Rupiah. Then we have Nepal. Its capital is Kathmandu. Its currency is Nepali rupees or Nepalese rupees. Extra you must search down. Pakistan, our own country. Its capital is Islamabad, and Islamabad is located in geographically it is located in Punjab, but it has its own police extra rupee. Then we have Sri Lanka. Its capital is Colombo or Sri Jayawardene Koti. People also call Sri Jayawardene Koti. Its currency is Sri Lankan rupees. I have written some important points about South Asia. I am discussing Afghanistan, Bhutan and Nepal are the landlocked countries in South Asia. We will discuss what are landlocked countries in geographical lecture. The Maldives is the smallest country in Asia. The Maldives and Sri Lanka are the island countries of South Asia. Island countries which are surrounded by water on 4 sides. Landlocked, which does not have any access to coastal area. India is the largest country in South Asia by population as well as by area. Then on second, Pakistan comes. Pakistan is the second largest country in South Asia by area as well as by population. Third one is Bangladesh, and you should carry on so. The tallest building in South Asia is Lotus Tower. Lotus Tower is located in Sri Lanka. Lotus Tower is located in Sri Lanka. This was a lecture of South Asia. We have just discussed South Asia. We have discussed some important points about Asia. Still, we have many other points to be discussed. We have just discussed one division of South Asia. In next lecture, we will discuss Southeast Asia, Central Asia, East Asia and Western Asia, which is known as Middle East. For today's, this is enough. Keep watching our channel and subscribe our channel and like it.